Hey, good morning, guys. Jim Lefevre, Lefevre Systems. We are in Wishick, North Dakota at Walt Farms, and we're going to do a complete install in a 90 by 150 machine shed. 21-foot sidewalls, steel structure. We're going to put about 6 or 7 drops in here. We're going to hook up a compressor, add a coalescer canister to it, and get them all set up to where they can add their own reels as time goes on, and we'll get them aired up in time for a little bit of mechanical work they got to do. Stick with us. We're going to have a few clips of that and a little bit of the process as we go along.
So we got our laser set up, and we're going to pick a path across the building, down that beam, and then across and back up this way. We moved to the other side of the shop, and we are going to run a line right down between the beam and the beam support. So we're going to set our clips first, and then we'll run our line. This is our first row of clips to go across the shop. They just screw into the purlins, and we're going to take off and go this way. So we are at the center of the building, or the peak of the building. Pretty low pitch on this one, but notice we put a clip here on this side of the peak. We put a clip here on this side of the peak. We're actually going to form the pipe right here to match that pitch of that roof right at the center. Okay, we're working on a line run across the shop ceiling, and here's a good example of why we need to form pipe. We ran into a piece of conduit that was in the way. All right, this is going to jump our conduit on this run. So this is the corner of our perimeter loop, and we also have a drop at this corner. There's a lot going on right there. So we used an elbow to make the corner. We use a T for the drop. We also have to get around that gusset that's on that column. So coming up from the bottom of the drop, we put a 45-degree angle. We kicked out about 21 inches, and then we went up to our T. We also had to tilt that pipe to accommodate for the slope of the roof, because the perimeter loop is running on the slope of the roof. A lot of things going on there, and without being able to form pipe, we wouldn't be able to do this. It would take a ton of elbows.